Hey everybody, I just wanted to show you, I already started eating one because they came out really good. But I cracked this open right here for you guys. I don't know if you can see. Wait, sorry. It's hot. There we go. That came out nice and flaky. Cheese. There's the inside. Okay. Okay guys, I'm doing this one-handed, so I'm gonna break it open. Bear with me. Here. There we go. That's the inside of it. And there we go. There we have it, everybody. Sebian Hot Pockets. With cheese. Some with cheese, some without. So, I hope you guys loved this video. I hope everyone enjoyed it. Enjoyed watching as much as I enjoyed making these. They really do taste really good, you guys. Like, I'm not BSing you, they taste amazing. Even this little cheese one that I made. Remember the one I did that I just had cheese, like a little cheese roll? That came out amazing as well. I already ate half of it. That's why there's only half left. Oh, the shiny is coconut oil. I didn't use butter, and I'm glad I didn't because it came out perfect with the coconut oil because of the sweetness of the bread. This came out really good, guys. I wrote the recipe down this time, so I am going to go ahead and post that for everybody to see. I love y'all very much. I'm sorry if you can't hear me. You can hit me up and ask me any questions. I can't talk too loud because it's kind of late in the baby's sleep. But everyone have a wonderful night, and keep it healthy out there. Keep it safe. God bless, and namaste.